5 seconds. 2 of 23 such formation of committee was notified on 11/5/2007 and 6/1/2009 under rules for the disposal of executive and administrative business, Chapter 9, Punjab and Haryana High Court Rules and Orders, Volume 5, Part A of Chapter 9 relates to rules for the disposal of executive and administrative business. Rule 2 relates to matters which shall be disposed of at a judge's meeting. Item from 1 to 8 relates to various issues. Item number 9 relates to miscellaneous, which is reproduced herein. Head learned counsel for the parties. Learned counsel for the respondent requested for deferring the matter on the score that identical issue is pending consideration in LPA number 442 of 2017 cited supra. It was contended that the existence and role of the committee of the honorable judges constituted by the Honorable 8 of 23 Chief Justice is involved. It is to be noted that in LPA matter relating to exercising the power under Rule 38 in respect of power to relax rules in favor of individuals, whereas in the present case issue is the disciplinary proceedings, viz. Whether disciplinary authority, the then Honorable Chief Justice, is permitted to forward the papers of the inquiry and aggrieved person's explanation to the Honorable Judges Committee constituted under Rule 2(9) of Chapter 9 of Punjab and Haryana High Court Rules and Orders, Volume 5, read with Rules 35 of Rules 1973 and Rules 1970. Therefore, contention of the respondents counsel that the issue involved in the present case is similar to that of pending LPA case. Question for consideration is whether the Honorable Chief Justice can invoke Rule 38 relaxation in respect of any of the provision in the Rules 1973 is permissible or not, if it is so to what extent. In the present case, matter relates to disciplinary proceedings, interpretation of Rule 35 of Rules 1973, Rule 2(9) of Chapter 9 of Punjab and Haryana High Court Rules and Orders, Volume 5, read with Rules 1970. Accordingly, respondents' request for deferring the matter is hereby turned down. Therefore, petitioners' contention that the inquiring officer has failed to appreciate evidence cannot be gone into in the absence of pre-verse 10 of 23 evidence has been taken into consideration. The disciplinary authority has deviated Rule 35 of Rules 1973, read with Rules 1970 and Rule 2(9) of Chapter 9 of Punjab and Haryana High Court Rules and Orders, Volume 5, or not. No doubt the Honorable Chief Justice has ample power to issue rules, and power has been exercised in issuing Punjab and Haryana High Court Rules and Orders Volume 5, whereas formation of committee under Rule 2(9) of Chapter 9, even though committee has been constituted assigning certain matters. For the purpose of the present case, list of committees dated 11/5/2007 read with notification dated 6/1/2009. High Court Establishment 3, 25 High Court Establishment 3 Committee General Supervision and all matters pertaining to selection, seniority, promotion, reimbursement of CAMS, retention of service and inquiries of superintendent, grade 2, reversers, assistants, translators, stenographers, supervisor of drivers, Honorable Mr. Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice were appointed. Perusal of the matters are required to be dealt with by the committee. It is evident that one of the matter is relating to inquiries of superintendent, grade 2, revisers, assistant, translators, stenographers, supervisors of drivers. No doubt, enquiry matters have been assigned to the Honorable Judges Committee. At the same time, it is to be noted that is conducting inquiries what is the role of the committee is not forthcoming. Assuming that Honorable Judges Committee were required to hold enquiry in that event, the enquiry should have been entrusted to Honorable Judges Committee from the initiation of enquiry till the stage of aggrieved 11 of 23 persons explanation on the inquiring officer's report so as to disciplinary authority to exercise power to impose any one of the penalty. Therefore, there is ambiguity in stating that Honorable Judges Committee would decide enquiries of certain post holders when the enquiries against Superintendent Grade 2 and other posts were required to be held against High Court employee under Rule 35 of Rules 1973 read with Rules 1970.